Problem 20. Suppose there is a special key on a calculator that replaces the number x currently displayed with the number given by the formula 1 divided by the quantity 1 minus x. For example, if the calculator displays 2 and the key is pressed, it displays -1. Now suppose the calculator displays 5. After the special key is pressed 100 times in a row, the calculator will display what? The choices are -0.25, 0, 0.8, 1.25, and 5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Apply the key a few times. Use 100 mod 3 equals 1. So the display reads -0.25, choice A.